As an instructor using Boundless in your course, you may have some questions from your students, and you may have some questions yourself. So I'm going to suggest a few things. One of the things you're going to find in your course will be a link to a playlist, which is for the students, but is something we actually recommend that would be helpful for you to review as well. And this playlist is on YouTube, and it will be embedded within your course, and it says for students, using Boundless in your courses. So it starts with getting started by setting up the access code, which is a step-by-step procedure for the students on how to set up within the course the access code that will allow them access to the electronic textbook. Further, how to navigate, how to use Boundless, which is in the left-hand navigation, versus using the Canvas module. Assignments, which are readings, should be used through the Canvas module. Quizzes for credit must be taken through the Canvas module. So if you have a student saying, hey, I've taken this quiz 20 times and I don't see a grade, the question is, did you take it within the Canvas module or did you take it within Boundless? And if you took it within Boundless, that's where you go to practice. So that's how you would instruct the students on that. Additionally, they can highlight the text in the book, add notes like a real textbook, a hard copy textbook. And there's also the ability to use flashcards that are built in based on each chapter. So this is really important information. It's for the students, it's already in your class, but it'll give you some information for the questions that they may have and pose to you that are really not technical in nature. It's just a matter of navigating them to the right sources to answer their questions. So again, this is a playlist within their courses. So now within your course, you might have heard that I said left navigation. Okay, so now this is the far left. This is global navigation. I'm referring to course navigation. So this is course specific. This is within the specific course, and it brings you to the information within there. If I were to click on Boundless, that brings me to my instructor account in Boundless. With the students, if they were to click here, this is what we want them to do. This allows you to understand how long they're using Boundless for their readings. This is what gives them the actual credit for taking their quizzes. If they are using this Boundless for readings, it's not going to keep track of their time. If they're using it for quizzes, great for practice, but not for credit. So those are the really important things that you as an instructor need to know, need to be able to help them with navigating. It's, like I say, it's not a technical support issue, it's more just a, hey, let me help you get a little bit more comfortable with this. So again, feel free to peruse the playlist of videos explaining in pretty good detail each of these topics and in a way that's pretty comfortable and pretty familiar for the students. And further than that, just explaining and understanding how navigation works. I do want to show you one last thing in reference to navigation. If you see this and you go, there is no left navigation but for the global navigation, where is that? So with the screen reader, they do this for accessibility to give more real estate on the screen, so you may not see that. If you do experience this, simply click on these three bars, and that will expand the left navigation as you're expecting to see it. So I hope this helps. We're going to go through a few more videos just to help you understand as an instructor how to best use Boundless in your course. Thank you.